Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Himani Sharma. So in this video we are going to discussing the topic present continuous tense. So here we have completed the introduction of tenses part 1 and part 2, and we have also completed present indefinite tense, and we have also read the chapter 1 and CERT economics line by line explanation class 9, and we have already read the chapter 1 Behave class 9 and CERT line by line, and we have done essay for class 8 विज्ञापनों से घिरा हमारा जीवन, and we have already done adjective, preposition, how to solve stanza and comprehension for class 8. These topics we have discussed already. So in this video we are going to discussing about present continuous tense. So before starting the video, I request you please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and all option. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and share to those people who want my video, and tell me in comment section how is my teaching way, is there any need to improvement, and what kinds of videos do you want. Please like the video. So let's start. Present continuous tense. Our first type of sentence is assertive. We have already discussed about types of sentences, what is subject, object, etc. in introduction part. So here I will tell the rule of only first type of sentence, that is assertive, because we have 12 types of because we have 12 types of tense, and in each tense there is 6 types of sentence. Then if I will tell you 6 rules in one tense, then there is 12, 6 is 72. You have to learn 72 rules, but I don't want this. I only want this. If there is 12 types of tense, then you have to learn only 12 rules. So I will tell you only the rule of assertive sentence. Remaining 5 types of sentences I will tell you the method. And I don't like cramming, ratification in English grammar. I want that we should do grammar with logic, and I will tell you all things with logically. So let's start it. What is the rule of assertive types of sentences? Let's discuss. So the rule is subject plus helping verb, HV stand for helping verb, plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Here in this tense is am, are. Play the role of helping verb. Is, am and are play the role of helping verb. Here, according to our subject, we will choose our helping verb. Is, am or are. Is used with third person and plural. If our subject is third person and plural, then we use is, and if our am is used with only I, we use am with only I, and are is used for third person plural. If our subject is third person and plural, then we use are. So you can take screenshot when we use is, when we use am, when we use are. So I am erasing this one. I hope that you know where we use is, where we use am, where we use are. These 3 words, is, am and are, play the role of HV, means helping verb. So let's make the sentence with this rule. For example, here is example. She is playing in the ground. She play the role of subject because she is the doer of our sentence. So she is our subject, and is our helping verb because is playing the role of helping verb, and play Play means first form of verb, and our rule is saying that we have to add ing with first form of verb. So we add ing with first form of verb. Then our rule is saying that we have to add object now. So after playing we have to add object in the ground. In the ground is our object. We have already discussed about what is subject, helping verb, verb and object, and types of tenses, sentences, etc. Okay, so according to rule we have make a sentence. She is playing in the ground. She is our subject, is our helping verb, play is our first form of verb. Playing, if there is playing, then we add ing with first form of verb. In the ground is our object. So I hope that you have learned that how to make sentence with the rule, how to make sentence adjective with the help of rule. So let us discuss about second types of sentence, that is negative. I will not tell the rule of negative. I will explain you how to make negative sentences. We for example, let us take a previous example that she is playing in the ground. If we are making negative sentence, then there must be note in the sentence if it is negative. Listen carefully. If our sentence is negative, then in the sentence there must be not. I say must, होना ही चाहिए, there should be. Okay, so in negative types of sentence where we add not before first form of verb, not. Tell me one thing, that why we add not only here, why we not add here, 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 etc. Why we use this particular place to add not? Because our verb always negative, our subject never negative, and anything never negative, only our verb is always negative. So we add not before our first form of verb plus ing. So our sentence structure is now negative, that she is not playing in the ground. It is the negative types of sentence. If we are making negative types of sentence, then we have to only put not before the first form of verb plus ing. Then our sentence structure is ready. What we have to do if we are making negative sentences, we have to put only not before the first form of verb plus ing. Why we add not before first form of verb? Because our verb always negative, our subject and anything else never negative. So let us discuss about interrogative sentences. Our previous example was she is not playing in the ground. So let us take a previous example. Our previous example was she is not playing in the ground. So in this sentence we are going to make negative sentences. What is method to make interrogative sentences? Firstly, we have to remove not. Why? Because it's not a negative type of sentence, it's a interrogative, so we add not. Not comes only in negative types of sentence. So we are discussing about how to make interrogative sentence. So first step is remove not, and so our sentence is she is playing in the ground. It means it's a adjective. Now if we have tell me one thing, that what's the another name of adjective? The another name of adjective is positive types of sentence or adjective types of sentence. So if we have to make interrogative sentence, then we have to do nothing. We have to only change the place of subject and helping verb. In adjective types of sentence, subject comes first. at the first position and helping verb comes at second position. In interrogative types of sentence, helping verb comes at the first and subject comes at the second. It is she's, यहाँ she's है, it is she's. So there is interchange of these two words. She is means is she. She is means is she. And we have to put interrogative type interrogative mark because it's a interrogative. So our interrogative sentence is ready. Is she playing in the ground? क्या वह ग्राउंड में खेल रही है? It's a very simple topic. In we have to only learn this one rule. If we are making adjective sentence, then now we have to follow this rule, and if we are making negative sentence, then we have to only put not before the first form. And if we are making interrogative sentence, then first step is remove not and interchange the position of subject and helping verb. Consider one thing, that if you are the student of 6th, 7th or 8th class, then you have to only learn 3 types of sentence: adjective, negative and interrogative. And if you are the student of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then you have to learn 6 types of sentences. So let us discuss about 4th types of sentence: interrogative, negative. In interrogative negative we have the meaning of interrogative negative we have already discussed in introduction of tenses. So in interrogative negative meaning, I think meaning is clear. If you don't know the meaning, then you should see the introduction of tenses part 1 and part 2 my video, then your all doubts will be clear. So if we are making interrogative negative, then add not. Attention students, if you are facing language problem, then you can tell me in comment section. I will change my language. I will explain you in Hindi language. So we are discussing about interrogative negative. So if we are making interrogative negative, then we have to make first sentence interrogative. Our first step is we have to make interrogative sentence and add not before the first form of verb plus ing. Okay, this is a simple, that only we have to add not before the first form of verb plus ing. Why? Because it's already an interrogative. Now we have to only make the sentence in negative, so we add negative. So it's now also a interrogative and it's also a negative. So the sentence is complete: interrogative negative. Is she not playing in the ground? So let us discuss about double interrogative types of sentences. I will give you some more examples in the at the end of video. So we are discussing about double interrogative. So I think you clear the meaning of double interrogative because we have already discussed about what is the meaning of double interrogative in the introduction part. Okay, so in double interrogative types of sentences, WH family comes first. For example, why, when, where, what. Okay, and at the place of second position our helping verb comes, and remaining structure is as like the adjective. Okay, in double interrogative types of sentences we have to only put WH family at the first position: why, when, where, what, anything. And at the second position we have to put helping verb is, am, are according to our subject. Okay, now after these our remaining sentence structure is as like adjective. What was the rule of adjective? Subject. Here is our subject. Helping verb is here because we are making double interrogative. In interrogative types of sentences, helping verb comes first. So after this, the first form of verb plus ing, the first form of verb plus ing, and after that we have to put our object. In the ground is our object, and here is the question mark at the end of the sentence. So our sentence structure is ready. Why is she playing in the ground? What's the rule of double interrogative? Only we have to put at the first WH family, second at the our helping verb, and remaining structure is as it is, like adjective. Subject, here is subject, helping verb is here. Why is helping verb is here? Because it's a interrogative, double interrogative. After this we have to put first form plus ing, first form plus ing, and after that we have to put object. Here is the object in the ground. So our sentence structure is ready. Why is she playing in the ground? So let us discuss about double interrogative negative. In double interrogative negative, we have to only put not before the first form of verb plus ing. Why? Because it's a double interrogative negative type of sentence. What is the meaning of double interrogative negative? We have already discussed about the meaning of double interrogative negative in introduction video lecture. So it's a double interrogative. Here two words will make the question interrogative. Here two words. WH family also create the sentence in interrogation sense, and helping verb is MR is our helping verb, and helping verb is also making the sentence interrogative. So here is two words are making sentence interrogative, so it's a double interrogative. And here is not before the first form of verb plus ing, so it's a double interrogative negative. So our double interrogative negative is, why is she not playing in the ground? So we have discussed all 6 types of sentences in present continuous tense with the help of only one rule, that is adjective. So let us take another example, how to interchange of sentences in present continuous tense. So I am giving you some sentences and you have to change in another types of sentences. For example, I am giving you the sentence, she is eating mango. Now you have to convert this sentence into negative. So how will you change it into negative? She is eating mango. She is eating mango. Only you have to put not before first form of verb plus ing. So it's a negative. I will give you 5 examples. So my second example is he writing a letter? Is he writing a letter? Now you have to change this sentence into negative. How will you change? Is he writing a letter? Listen carefully, students. If you have to given change these sentences into another types of sentence, then you have to follow the rule of another types of sentences. For example, the sentence is given you adjective. Now you have to change into its interrogative. So you have to follow the rule of interrogative. So following the rule of interrogative, you will change the sentence. So your sentence will be correct. Now I have given you, is he writing a letter? Now you have to convert this sentence into negative. So now you have to follow the rule of negative types of sentences. So what was the rule of negative? The rule of negative is same. Only you have to put not before the first form of verb plus ing. Remaining sentence structure is like adjective. I have given you, is he writing a letter? And what was the rule of adjective? Subject, helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So what was the rule of negative? Because you have to convert is he writing a letter into negative, so we have to add not only before the first form of verb plus ing. So remaining sentence structure is as it is, like assertive sentence or positive sentence. So our rule is saying that you have to put subject at first. Is he writing a letter? Where is our subject in this sentence? He. So we put he. Okay. Now our sentence structure is saying that we have to put helping verb. Where is our helping verb? Is. Here is our helping verb. Now we will put is here. Is. Now our sentence structure is saying that we have to put not. Then we have put not. Then we will put first form of verb plus ing. Where is first form of verb plus ing in this sentence? Here. So we will write this word here. Now our rule is saying that we have to put object. So what is object in this sentence? A letter. So we are putting object here, a letter plus full stop. Why we put full stop? Because it's not a interrogative type of sentence. We convert this interrogative sentence into negative. So our sentence structure is ready. He is not writing a letter. So it was the third example. I will give you two more examples. In which type of sentence you have to change the sentence, you have to follow follow that types of sentence rule. मैंने बोला कि जिस टाइप के सेंटेंस में आपको दिए हुए सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करना है, तो जिस सेंटेंस टाइप के सेंटेंस में को आपको दिए हुए सेंटेंस को चेंज करना है, तो उसी का रूल आपने फॉलो करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैड गिव यू एग्जाम्पल, इज़ ही राइटिंग अ लेटर. सो इज़ ही राइटिंग अ लेटर. सो our question was change this sentence into negative. So how we change this sentence into negative? By following the rule of negative. So let us take two more examples. If you are facing language problem, then you can tell me in comment section. Here is sentence, is he not eating the dinner? Now you have to change this sentence into double interrogative. So now we follow the rule of double interrogative. Okay, so what was the rule of double interrogative? That was the rule of our positive sentences. Now our sentence is he not eating the dinner? Now we have to convert this sentence into double interrogative. What was the rule of double interrogative? We have to put first WH family. At the second position we have to put helping verb. Now after this the sentence structure is like adjective. So we have to put WH family first. So here is our WH family Y. At the second position we have to put helping verb. What is helping verb in this sentence? Is. Is our helping verb. So we are putting is. Okay. Now our sentence structure is like what? Like this rule. Now we have to put subject. What is subject? He. Now we have to put helping verb. Our rule is saying, but we already put the helping verb because we are making the sentence double interrogative negative. In double interrogative negative types of sentence, helping verb comes first at the sentence. Now we have to put first form plus ing. Where is the first form plus ing? Here is the first form plus ing. So we put eating here. Now we have to put object. Where is our object? The dinner is our object. So we put object, the dinner. Question mark. Why we put question mark? Because it's a double interrogative. So our sentence structure is ready. That why is he eating the dinner? कि वह खाना क्यों खा रहा है? Double interrogative. Okay. Let us take in last example. It's the rule of adjective. Now we have to convert into double interrogative negative. To what is the given sentence? She is plucking the flower. Now it's a last example. Attention please students, I will tell you the identity of present continuous tense at the end of my video. So she is plucking the flower. Now we have to convert this sentence into double interrogative negative. Now we will follow the rule of double interrogative negative. In double interrogative negative, two words will make the sentence interrogative, and in double interrogative negative types of sentence there must be the word not before the first form of verb plus ing. So it's the rule of double interrogative negative. We have already discussed about that. So she is playing the she is plucking the flower. So double interrogative negative. Firstly we will follow the rule of double interrogative. What was the rule of double interrogative? We have to put first WH family, then we have to put helping verb. Then we will follow the rule of this sentence, and to make this sentence in negative we will put not before the first form of verb plus ing. So sentence is after change the sentence is why is she plucking. In double interrogative negative there is the sense of negative and double interrogative. So concentrate on green board that here is WH family, why, there is helping verb is. Now we have to follow the rule of adjective. Now our rule is saying that adjective subject, where is our subject in this sentence? She. So we put she. Now our rule is saying that helping verb. Our helping, we have already put helping verb here because we are converting the sentence into double interrogative, and in double interrogative helping verb comes first. Now our rule is saying that first form of verb plus ing. Where is the first form of verb plus ing? Plucking is the first form of verb plus ing. Plucking is the first form of verb plus ing. Now we have to put object. Where is the object in this sentence? She is plucking the flower. The flower is our object. So we put the flower at the end of sentence. Now we will put question mark. Now why we add not before first form of plus ing? Because it's a double interrogative negative. So we make the sentence into double interrogative. Why is she plucking the flower? To make it into negative we put not. So it's now a double interrogative negative because two words are also there and not is also there. So it's a type of double interrogative. So let us talk about the identity of present continuous tense. If the sentence is present continuous tense, then in those sentences there must be the word is, am or are. There must be. So if you find is, am or are, any word is, am, are, any word, if you find, then consider that those type of sentences are the type of which tense? Present continuous tense. If the sentence, listen carefully students, if the sentence is the type of present continuous tense, then in those sentences there must be is, am or are, any word into these three words. So this is the identity of present continuous tense. So if you don't have subscribed my channel till now, then please press the bell icon and all option. And if you like my video, then please hit the like button and share to those people who want my video, and tell me in comment section how is my teaching way, is there any need to improvement, and what kinds of videos do you want. And if you facing any language problem, then you can also tell me in comment section. I will change my language, I will explain you in Hindi language. So here is the end of our today's video lecture. In today's video lecture we have completed our second type of tense, that was present continuous tense. In next, and we will read about the present perfect tense, which is the third type of tense after present continuous tense. So till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye friends.